During Leap 2026, we came together to dance, to connect, to create memories, to laugh and cry. We supported one another, we learned new things, exchanged ideas and explored cultures. We celebrated our similarities and differences, and we applauded one another regardless of these differences. We supported our communities to try something new, express themselves, and create great art. We provided inroads and first steps for young people and emerging artists. We witnessed the transformative power of dance to change people's lives, boosting physical and mental health and well-being, and improving our quality of life. And we created space for marginalised and underrepresented people to take centre stage and showcase their talents. Because dance has the power to bring people together, to unite us, to share space and communicate with one another, helping us live healthier, happier lives.